Welcome back to Yarn Inspirations as well as the Knit Crowd. I'm your host Mikey. Today I'm going to show you how to knit two together in the back loop. And so it's really quite an easy way to do it. So in the back loop, if you remember for knitting, is that you normally would knit like this, of inserting in like you see here, but this is not the back loop. So to get the back loop we have to come on straight on in into the stitch just like you see here and wrap the needle and bring it through like it regular would for knitting. Now to put two of those together, all you just have to do, instead of just going into one, so nose dive right into the beginning and collect two stitches here on the knitting needles, wrap the needle and follow through by bringing it forward. Okay, so that's doing it in the back loop. Let's show that again. So I'm putting two together, so going straight on in, collect two loops on the knitting needles, wrap it and follow through. So that's how you put knitting two together in the back loop just like you see. So going into two, straight on in, follow through and slide off. Until next time, I'm Mikey on behalf of Yarn Inspirations as well as the Knit Crowd. We'll see you again real soon. Bye bye.